Even for animated short films with no dialogues, audio is still a very important part of your film. Music brings up your movie from a single animated video to an emotional and moving piece of art. You can't disregard this. You gotta try your best to get the best music you can. A great option is hiring someone to compose an original music score for you. You can share with them your animatic, and you can have a meeting with them regarding what you envision this would be. Music composers will draw from your animatic, the mood boards, character designs, and they will do their best in seeing what you see for your animation. But hiring composers will cost a lot of money. You can also try collaborating with a friend that wants to be a musician one day. Try every avenue, Getting music from the internet is also an option, although it won't sync properly with your animation. But you can try to sync with your animatic with the music. This can greatly enhance your animation viewing experience. Just make sure you have a proper permission to use the music. Your animation video cannot go too far around if you're using a popular music you just ripped out of a website somewhere, Some popular places to get really nice musics, there's Stream Beats, Epidemic Sound, even YouTube Studio has a lot of music ready to be used for your videos.